The search is on for ways to combat the HIV and AIDS epidemic in the region. More than 2,000 delegates will meet in talks over the next few days on this critical health issue affecting many in the Caribbean. During the opening of the 2011 Caribbean HIV and AIDS Conference last evening, medical officials and Prime Minister, the Right Honorable Hubert Ingraham, praised the work done to date to sensitize and educate regional citizens on the epidemic. Our Atlantis Resort reports.
The flags representing each Caribbean island of the 2011 HIV/AIDS conference received cheers from the crowd. Then, the three conference chairs, Director of the National AIDS Program, Dr. Perry Gomez, Dr. Daisy Gele of the University of Puerto Rico, and Dr. Jack Whitescarver of the United States National Institutes of Health, all outlined the benefits of this event. Delivering the keynote address at the opening ceremony of the 2011 Caribbean HIV/AIDS Conference was Prime Minister Hubert Ingraham, who informed the attendees that the Bahamas confirmed its first case of HIV/AIDS in 1983. And 28 years later, the country has made tremendous strides in combating this disease.
Since AIDS was discovered in newborns in 1989, antenatal care, treatment have been important in preventing mother-to-child transmission. Such care and treatment are provided by the government free of charge to all public and private HIV-positive pregnant women in the Bahamas. I'm happy to inform also that in 2010 in the Bahamas, there was no detected transmission of HIV from infected mothers to their babies. Notwithstanding the decline in new cases and a major reduction in mother-to-child transmission and decreasing mortality, AIDS remains a leading cause of death among Bahamian men and women aged 25 to 44.
The Prime Minister admitted that the Ministry of Health has been proactive in reaching persons infected with HIV/AIDS, but there are still significant challenges to overcome for diagnosis, care, and treatment, including stigma and discrimination. However, Mr. Ingraham revealed that the Bahamas has been a leader in developing legislation to protect the rights of minorities and others living with HIV.
In 1991, the Bahamas decriminalized homosexuality between consenting adults. And the Bahamas was the only Caribbean country to sign the Paris Declaration in 1994, which set global standards for HIV and human rights.
Prime Minister Ingraham also recognized the impact of HIV/AIDS on children and young people as a severe and growing problem. He then cushioned those statistics by illustrating 6 Bahamian children who were born HIV positive and are living relatively normal lives.
The best hope for containment of HIV/AIDS is a reduction in the number of new infections. We must scale up the prevention activities that have proven successful if we are to reverse the AIDS pandemic. At the same time, providing treatment and care of people living with HIV/AIDS remains absolutely essential.
Atlantis Resort, ZNS News.